First off, I'll be listing out the items you will need for your brush. These are the items: your brow brush, your concealer brush, your blending brush, and of course your eye pencil, the David's pencil. I'm using color 18. For instance, if you want to start your brows and you've moisturized your face and it's a little oily in the brow area, remember it will be difficult for the pencil to draw clearly. So what I normally do is this: I use my powder just to make there a little matte. Okay, so that place is a little matte. Brush it upwards. Brush it upwards. Then I carve out. This is the bone of the brows. This is the tail. This is the beginning. This is the bone of your brows. This is the beginning and this is the tail. So as I brush, I carve out the tail. So this is how this place looks like. After brushing, I go in with my eye pencil, well sharpened. Okay, so I start from the down part of the brows, the lower part of it. I draw. Remember how I started from the beginning, from the lower brows. This is where the brow bone stops. So I go in trying to create that curve, following my eyebrow shape down to the tail. Then for the upper part, I don't start from the beginning. I start from something that looks like 2 inches inside. I start drawing from there. This is the brow bone. Start to curve from there. Then fill it in with tiny strokes, shade a little, shade. Then I come back to the front. I put tiny strokes. I draw tiny strokes upwards because the brows in front is usually lighter. I shade. So this is how we're actually done. This is how you draw your eyebrows. So what do I do next? I go in with my concealer to highlight the brows. This is what I do. Okay. So in my flat concealer brush, this is how it looks. Starting from the down. Okay, then I go in also for the up part, starting from the beginning, carefully. The highlighting. So I go in with my blending brush. I just blend, blend it, blend, and this and we are done. Still going with my brush to make sure everything is in one place. Like comb it. So we're actually done with our brows. So this is how you do your brows. Very simple and quick. So this is done within 5 minutes. You're done. Okay, rate my brows. I repeat the same thing on the other eye. Hold on. So do you like this technique? If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. I love you. See you on my next one. Bye.